Hi everyone, welcome back to the 90 seconds of bright energy. Today I am sharing with you a habit that I have. I have a notebook and every night I record 3 things. Number 1, what has been my challenge, what have been my obstacles, or what have been my learnings, or the 3 of them. But I only do it in 2 lines max. So this is not a journal to write every single part of my life. No, only so number 1, challenges, obstacle, or the teachings, the learnings, what I've learned today. Number 2, a victory. Anything works. It can be, I was able to wake up happy today, or I was able to pick up the phone and get some news from somebody, and that has been something that I've not been able to do so far because I don't know, I'm shy, or I don't know how to reach out to people that easily. Anything. It can be any victory. It can be tiny. I was able to do a nice little meal for myself or my family today. And it can be a big victory. If you got a phone call with a promotion, put it down, of course. So any victory, anything that felt good to you, write it down. And then 3rd, gratitude. Whatever you're grateful for. And if there's not crazy things that have happened today, well, be grateful for the fact that hopefully at least you had a bed to sleep in. Hopefully also that you have a roof and that you have oxygen, that your body's helping you, that you're fairly healthy. And if you're not, you can thank your body to help you, guide you to feel better, feel healthier. So gratitude. So number 1, challenges, obstacles, or teachings. Number 2, victories or victory. Sometimes I have many victories that comes up to my mind. Number 3, gratitude. What will that do? It will train your brain to focus on the really important matters in your life. And you will realize very soon that as much as life events happen to you, you still can thrive and find the good stuff in it. So that was it for today. Be well, be happy, be you. Salut.